भुनक्तु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll read from 6th verse. Antadaidam prabhakshyami guhyam brahma sanatanam yatha cha maranam prapya atma bhavati gautama yonimanne prapadyante sharirattvaya dehinah sthanumanne sanyanti yatha karma yatha shrutam yonimanne prapadyante sharirattvaya dehinah sthanumanne sanyanti yatha karma yatha shrutam yatha karma yatha shrutam. What is this page number? 103. Till 5th verse we saw few things. First thing, that consciousness is the one entity which is different from body. Second, that consciousness alone is expressing in the whole world. This was the second mantra. The third, fourth and fifth, these three mantras told about the nature of consciousness with the body. And it was mentioned that if the consciousness is there, then body is functioning. If it is not there, it is not functioning. The meaning of the word Atma in these three mantras were Jiva, reflected consciousness. And therefore, body by itself is not the one who is doing everything. Behind that body is the reflected consciousness. Fifth mantra was beautiful mantra. It told that generally people think that as long as prana is living, body is living. So body is existing because of prana. This refuted this. It said prana itself is living because of the Chaitanya. Prana by itself is inert. So this is not true. Na pranena na apanena mrityu jivati kaschana. Itarena to jivanti. Something else is there apart from the prana, because prana is inert. Pran has all five things. Drishyatvat, Bhautikatvat, Sagunatvat, Savikaratvat, and Agamaya, which is coming and going. These are the five properties of the Agama Paitvam. So there has to be a Chetan which is different than this assemblage. We had seen that. So attention is being taken to the consciousness and not to the inert. So inert body is not the one. When RC or reflected consciousness is mentioned, actually indication is towards the pure self, because RC does not exist without the OC or the original consciousness. This was mentioned by Anvay Vyatirek. Anvay Vyatirek, Yat Sattve Tat Sattvam, Yad Abhave Tad Abhavam. If this is there, then that is there. This is not there, that is not there. Therefore, this is the cause of that. Anvay Vyatirek is to establish the Karanatva. Anvay means this is called co-presence. Both, if this is there, then only this will be there. This is called Anvay. And if this is not there, that won't be there. That is called Vyatirek. So this is very frequently used. You can write it Anvay and Vyatirek. Some word you can write in the board also later on. Anvay and Vyatirek. So they can know how to write it in Sanskrit also. Anvay and Vyatirek. Anvay means co-presence and Vyatirek means co-absence. This is there, that is there, this is not there, that is not there. So by Anvay Vyatirek we saw, what did we see? That the cause of the functioning of the body is the Chaitanya only. Chaitanya is the one because of which the body is functioning. Now when this topic was taken, there is a little break of one mantra. Sixth verse said, Handataidam Pravakshyami. There is little humming. Bass should be little less. Handataidam Pravakshyami. I am going to tell you two things. What two things you are going to tell? First is Guhyam Sanatanam Brahma. I am going to tell you about the secret and eternal Brahma. And second thing what I am going to tell is that this samsari jeev, how after death it attains the body. What happens to him? So Ajnani Jivatma Maranam Prapya Yatha Bhavati. Yes, it is better now. Ajnani Jivatma. So here Atma means Ajnani Jivatma. Ajnani Jivatma Maranam Prapya Yatha Bhavati Tatha Pravakshyami. Tatha Pravakshyami you have to add. So as after death it is going to attain the new body, that I am going to. Here Atma doesn't mean Brahman. Here Atma is for that Jivatma who is Ajnani Jivatma. Ajnani Jivatma Maranam Prapya Yatha Bhavati. As what will happen to this Ajnani Jiv who has not known. This is the topic now. In which mantra? Seventh mantra. So two topics. One is about the Brahman and second is about the Ajnani Jivatma's next gati. So second topic he is taking first. And first topic he will take second. Why? Why second topic is taking first? Because this is in short, you want to conclude fast. And second topic is more elaborate. And he wants to end with the good topic. End should be with good sweet dish. He doesn't want to end with the topic of samsara. It's not very great to talk about that. End talk should be something good. So what he says, seventh mantra, he says, very popular verse I have told you, and one of the few places where the Shruti or the Ved is the Praman for Punarjanma. Gita, many places it has been said. But in Shruti, somebody says, where in Vedas it is written that rebirth is there? This is written. Yoni manne prapadyante sharirattvaya dehinah. Sthanu manne anusanyanti yatha karma yatha shrutam. This is few places where the praman is the Shruti. Okay. What is said here? Please understand that. So, anne yonim prapadyante. What is the principle of rebirth? If you remember, I had already talked about it. That rebirth has to be there because there cannot be effect without a cause. An effect is reflected in two areas. One is at the area of prarabdha or situation, other is in the area of swabhava. And both are strong areas. Both are situation is almost impossible to change and nature is very difficult to change. Not impossible. If it was impossible, why will we sit? Situation is impossible to change. Almost impossible. But the nature is not impossible. It is easier to change than situation. But you can find it out that my nature is very strong in a certain area. You can find it out in due time. So when situation is set, so effect is because of cause, because of my actions I have done. Ishwar has not just given like that. That Ishwar has given good situation to somebody and not so good situation to somebody. And Ishwar will be having the defect. There are two defects are there. Krit pranash and akritabhyam. There are technical words is if the next birth or previous birth is not believed, then the problem will be what situation you are getting today. It is akrit abhyagam. That means you have not done something and this situation is coming automatically. That means effect is there, cause is not there. There is an effect without a cause. Effect without a cause means, you know what is the meaning of effect without a cause? That anything will come from anywhere then. Effect without a cause is not possible because whole world is tied up in the effect and cause. So from mango tree you will start having guava. Because there is no relation between effect and cause. Only after the mango tree only mango can come out. After summer only spring can come out or autumn can come. Rain is there after hot day is there. So there is a whole thing is woven in the effect. Hunger is there when the stomach is empty. Hunger is there, stomach is empty. Dehydration in the body is there, therefore I feel thirsty. If you walk in the sun, you will feel thirsty. So whole world is in a tight bond of cause and effect. So if you say that the situation has come without the past, because when the child is born, from birth only these fruits of action start. He can have good childhood and bad childhood also. So if you don't agree to the past birth, that will be called akrit abhyagam. What you have not done, you are getting it today. And second is called krit pranash. Krit pranash means what? What you are doing today, it will have no effect because I am doing anything. Many things I am doing, there is no effect. This is too false if the theory of karma is not accepted. And Islam and Christianity don't accept rebirth. Don't accept rebirth. But because of that, it's quite a big logical fallacy. Somebody is born in the shacks and somebody is born in the palace. How will you account for that? That means God is little eccentric. If he is eccentric, why will he be God? He should be like us only. Why should he be God? Naigrhanya dosh is there in Ishwar. Pakshpat. There is two dosh is there. These are technical words, just hear it. That means he doesn't like certain person, therefore he threw in the very difficult situation. Somebody is dying in the accident and somebody never went to the hospital. Somebody whole life passes, never he went to the hospital. And somebody has operation after operation. Somebody has children, somebody has no. There is a big difference between two people's fruits of action. Big difference. Very big difference. Well, why such? Because their actions are highly different and therefore the effect will be very different. Some shop is full all the time, some shop not a single person comes. Both work hard. As far as that working hard is concerned, both are hard workers. And in some, you can see there's no place to stand in the shop also. And some, the shopkeeper is reading newspaper because there is time only. For some people, they have got lot of love from their children or wife or husband. For some, no love is from child or no love is from spouse. Wide difference. Not little difference, wide difference. And then they see somebody else, they see how lucky he is. So you have to find out what karma he must have done. It's not a fluke. That something has happened just like that. Okay. Every area. Rather, I will say, you don't eat food, you eat your fate. You breathe your fate. You walk over your fate. You're not putting on clothes, you're putting on your fate. In Gujarat, earthquake was there, person was walking. Where he was walking, all of a sudden the earth cracked and he went into it. On the spot, Bhu Samadhi. He went straight inside. बताओ क्या क्या लोगों को कष्ट होता है. Various kinds of problems may be there on a person. Some people have different kind of life. In some house, repeatedly robbers come. In some house, nobody comes. Up see, when we walk outside here, we are thinking something may not happen. Hope nobody is following. If you go to even America also, in England also, what to say of Singapore, that fear is not there. I was going from Chicago to Houston. So all of a sudden police van came. We stopped. So 2 cars where we stopped. He said you were driving with more speed. I was not driving. Somebody was driving now. अब देखो, there was no red light. There was no robot or something like that, but I don't know how they found it. They have something instrument. Huh? Some instrument there. So they found it out. Well, you were speeding too much. It was 10 o'clock in the night. Anyway, he asked few questions. He saw me, then he left. Not that he had love for me, but they saw this priest and all these things. They had like. अब वहां पे इतना स्ट्रिक्टनेस है, you just, there is one number there, 991, huh? 191, 911. If you dial, immediately within 5 minutes, police will come, fire brigade, police. Within 5 minutes. Even sometimes they fight among each other in the family, they dial the number, the police comes. अब different cities have different prarabdhas there. अब here you keep on calling the police doesn't come for 2 hours. They come, not that they don't come, but they come at their own leisure, because it is normal for them to hear. Well, what happened? It happens. What great about it? Nothing is urgency. Why different? How will you attribute to this difference? So you have to say that there is a big knitting of fruits of action, sir. अच्छा सुनो मजेदार बात. In Christian religion, in Islamic religion, they do the action and they will go to heaven or hell. But interesting point is that heaven and hell is forever. Jannat and Jahannam, that is for endless time. So you do it finite action and you are getting infinite fruit. And this is very depressing. If somebody goes to hell, he will be ever there. He can't get it out. This God is really mad. Because this is the wrong justice. If God is like that, better, I don't want this kind of God. Then we need another God over him. Because you are giving a fruit forever. ये क्या है भाई? So you are believing in rebirth, but not the past birth. See the illogical point. And how will you contribute? How will you attribute that this body, this person, God? So don't think rebirth is just some say. Among the religions, Buddhist, Jain, and Hinduism, actually Buddhist and Jain are offshoot of Hinduism only. So they believe in rebirth. No other believe in rebirth. Christianity doesn't believe, Jews don't believe, Islam doesn't believe. And these two religions, number one is Christianity, number two is Islam, then comes Hinduism, as far as the population is concerned. You can imagine that more than half the population of the world does not believe in rebirth. The result of that is that you become very frustrated. Why I am getting like that? When you feel my actions have given you accepted, acceptability increases when you say it was my action, therefore I am getting it. And you feel more contented. You don't fight, and therefore communalism came. Communist tendency came there. Communist means, in short, everybody should be getting equal things. Equal opportunity, equal food, equal right. And if that is the case, everybody should do equal actions only, then you can say that this is, but that did not, every communist country now except China has dwindled down. So this will always, disparity will always be in the society. People sometimes say why there is so much of disparity. Rich is there, poor is there. Disparity will be there. You cannot stop it because there is a disparity in the actions only. How can everybody be rich and how can everybody be poor when the actions are different? Somebody is donating a lot, somebody doesn't donate, somebody serves somebody doesn't serve at all. Somebody worships, somebody doesn't worship, somebody kills somebody doesn't kill anybody. How can you find that the action, fruit of action will be same of everybody? Somebody has been very cruel in his life, somebody has never been cruel. When there is a wide difference of the actions, you can't expect the equal fruit of action. That cannot exist at all. See, yesterday in Hong Kong, the people entered the parliament. There's a big, widespread demonstration in the Hong Kong, which is attached and this is occupied by Chinese. And that they entered the parliament and they are now rebelling against the system. Hong Kong, which is a very business oriented, fast country is there. So don't think that we are this Hinduism is everything is rebirth and all these things. So first proof is Shastra Praman is there. This is the Praman here. Okay, somebody asks, you should be clear about why rebirth is there. And sometimes some incidences also come up that some child is there, one mother was there, her child remembered the past birth. And he said, take me there. So if you go, this is my wife. This is a house inside. Small child, 5-year-old. 80-year-old, she's saying he's my wife. She's my wife. And there's a house inside, there's another room. I have 4 sons. So all these things also happen sometimes. This thing also happen. But God is very generous. He has made us forget all this past. This birth remembrance is such a big problem. Rag, Dvesh have their essence in remembrance only. So Bhagavan said start fresh. Don't remember the last birth if you remember. We'll go mad. We'll go mad. What happened to you in the last birth? Last to have. There is nothing to concentrate. So Bhagavan said, no, let us make something so that you are all wiped off. Nothing is there so that you are able to concentrate on the present. Matta smritir gyan apohanam cha. So he just said, okay, fresh memory. He retained the vasana, removed the memories. Retained the impression. Okay. So rebirth is there and that has to be accepted by the wise person. Now I am coming on to this mantra. What it says, Yonim anne prapadyante. Anne will go with dehina. Anne dehina, those who are human beings or anybody. So shariratva yonim prapadyante. They attain some yonim. Yonim means the womb. They go to some womb. Acha. Acha. They go to some womb, yes. Any womb, yes. Which womb they can go? They can go anywhere. They can become goat, they can become cow, they can become devata also. They can become human being also. They can become tiger also. They can become woman also. They can become man also. They can become very rich also. They can become poor also. Why? Depending on the actions. Sthanu anne anusayanti. So sthanu means vrikshadi sthavar bhavam anne. Atyant adama. Here Bhashyakar has given little one slap slightly. Well, these people who become tree has only 2 sense organ, feet and skin. Therefore they are called padap. Padin pibati. So they drink only by root. But I heard if you go inside, they have a lot of networking in the root. Inside the root, this total computer is there. They go and hijack others, hack others' root, and they communicate to each other. If danger is there, somebody is cutting, they communicate among each other. The big networking is there. Big roots are there inside. So Padin, but poor thing. They have no other way. They cannot go for getting water also. They cannot go. At least animals can go and get water. They will die if water is not given. This is the compulsion. Urdhvam gachanti sattvasthaha madhye tishtanti rajasaha jaganya gunavrittasthaha adho gachanti tamasaha. So sthanum anne anusayanti. Anne means anne, adama. So what? Why he has become tree? Why the other person is not become tree? Why he's become human being? So the last portion is most important. Yatha karma yatha shrutam. Here karma means your as you have done your actions. Depending, action means what? Action has many components in it. Action is not a simple thing, it's a very complex thing. Only action, you don't get the outside, somebody is donating, you get the fruit. And it's not like that. Or somebody is beating somebody, he'll get a bad fruit. No, it's not like that. So action has very deep-rooted meaning here. So action means what is his main sankalp, why he is doing the action. What is his sankalp, number one. Number two, what is his intention behind the sankalp. Number three, what action he has done. Number four, how long he has done. Number five, where he has done. Number six, what intensity he has done the action. Number seven, what was his expertise that he did it. Number eight, was that action blessed by somebody or cursed by somebody. Number nine, what is the Ishwar along with that action? Around 8-9 factors will decide your action, fruit. And therefore, it's a little complex area. Because somebody should know your internal sankalp also. A person may donate, his sankalp may I become famous. The other sankalp may be, may I get more, dispassion. Third person may think, may I have satsang. Bole, I am donating so that I can get more classes and more SUP courses. Somebody may be thinking, may I get a good wife. This birth I did not get, next birth. Or may I have a child. I am giving food so that I can have a child. ये संकल्प है. Intention is there, whether you want for something bigger or lower, intention is there. And what action you did, was it dharma or adharma as per your rule? Lot of things are there. This gahana karmano gati. What action you did? What action you did? Bole, I did the action of beating somebody. Why you are beating that person? Bole, I was beating because I'm army person and he is transgressing Pakistan boundary and I shot him. अब देखो एक्शन तो बड़ा ऊपर से तत्किम कर्मणि घोरे माम, is action of killing, but the fruit will be different now. Or I am doing the action of of writing some good words. I write editorial. What for your तुरंत जाता है मामला कि intention and संकल्प what is there. As far as fruit is concerned, big marks goes to sankalp, intention. If sankalp and intention is not there, very good, so you will not get a very good fruit of action. Cancel हो जाएगा मामला. So some people do lot of action, but they don't get credit. And some are there who do little. Everybody talks about them. Some are there. And third category is there. Some are there who act to do. They will run up and down, but don't do anything. Nothing solid is done. And some people have, like their hand has some kind of fame in him. Doctors बोले इनके हाथ में यश है. This doctor has fame in his hand. I mean, Bhagavad it is written that Devatas and Asura both did the churning. But Devatas only got the everything. These Asuras didn't get anything. Unnecessarily hard work only they did. बहुत से फैक्टर हैं, therefore be very careful. Where you did, what action you did. बोले Ekadashi is there, therefore I donated till. Where? In Prayagraj, near Sangam. Now fruit is different now. Fruit is different. Till, white till, or Kurukshetra I distributed. And where did you distribute till? Well, I distributed till in Chatsworth Stadium. So there's a big difference. How did I made till laddus and distributed? How much intensity you have while you are doing the action? How deep you are doing part and your mind is running. Okay. जामवंत के बचन सुहाए सुनी हनुमंत. One किसका आ गया? You have kept mobile on watching here also. सुनी हनुमंत हृदय अति भाई तब लगी मैं हूं पर mind is going like that. सही दुख कंद मूल फल खाई जब लगी आवो सीता. Let me reply also. I am doing part. Sundarkand, don't disturb. हाँ कहाँ थे भाई? पवन तनय संकट हरण. अरे you are doing Sundarkand, not Hanuman Chalisa. Sorry. I forgot which line was there. The part problem is when you are doing part, you forget sometimes where. Now you are now it's thinking where. By the time he has again replied, again you are seeing. He has said no. He said sorry, but you don't have the time to talk to me. Now it is disturbing my parent now. It disturbed me more, but I have to complete it. Another problem is already 11 o'clock in the night. Because it is so distracted mind, so your fruit will be less.